Quick question. Why are almost all airplanes white? Did they all shop at the same store? Here's the deal. Planes spend hours just chilling under the sun. If they were black, they'd be getting cooked like a kebab on a summer day. No joke. White reflects the sunlight, so the plane stays much cooler. And if there's a crack, leak, or damage, it's way easier to spot on a white plane. Plus, white paint lasts longer, so airlines save money. So, nah, planes aren't white because they're trying to look clean. They're white because it's cooler, safer, and cheaper, and now you know. This is your Baba John explaining random stuff so you don't have to Google it.